In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chat widget to GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a fully working chat widget on your website so visitors can reach you instantly. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account. From the main dashboard, head to the Sites section, then open Chat Widget. This is where all your widgets live, and where you'll control how they look and behave. If you already have widgets, you'll see them listed here. Otherwise, we'll create a fresh one. Click the New Widget button to begin. This creates a new blank widget you can tailor to your brand and your support workflow. Giving each widget its own setup makes it easy to use different experiences on different sites or pages if you need to later. Next, choose the chat type that best matches your goals. All-in-one chat is a great default if you want a unified inbox for multiple channels. Live chat focuses on real-time website conversations, ideal when your team can respond quickly. SMS or email prioritizes capturing contact details, so you can follow up even if the visitor leaves. And if your audience engages on social platforms, choose WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook to meet them where they already are. Pick the option that aligns with how you plan to manage conversations. Now, customize your widget. Give it a clear, internal name so your team knows exactly what it's for. Set your brand colors to keep the experience consistent with your site. And make sure there's enough contrast so text is easy to read. Write a friendly welcome message that sets expectations, like typical response times or the kind of help you offer. Keep it short, clear, and inviting. If there's a live preview, use it to fine-tune the look before moving on. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. This locks in your settings and generates the code you'll need to install it. To install the widget on your website, copy the provided code snippet. Paste it into your site's HTML, ideally in a global location so it appears on every page you want it to show up. Many site builders or CMS platforms offer a header or footer injection area. Placing it in the footer or just before the closing body tag is common. Save and publish your changes. Finally, test it. Open your website in a new tab, refresh the page and confirm the chat widget appears and loads correctly. If you don't see it, clear your cache, try an incognito window, or double check that you pasted and saved the code in the right place. Test on mobile too, to ensure it looks great everywhere. That's it, you've added a chat widget to GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.